Guys, I kid you not, this bag has everything I need for daily riding. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jay, the Motor Brother, back again with another video. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing time, amazing day. It's finally the weekend, man. And recently I've been having this fix, this urge. Wanted to talk about EDC, make a full everyday carry kit and all that sort of thing. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about my motorcycle EDC. I'm going to be talking to you guys about the things I carry on my motorcycle that just makes sense for me, and you guys might want to implement your kit, or you guys tell me about things that you have in your kit that I should implement in mine. Alright, we're just gonna film right here. Here's what I have on my body. I have my phone, my gloves, and most importantly, I have this bag. Alright, so this is the bag in question. This is my thigh bag I picked up off of Amazon, and most of my stuff I carry every day with me when I'm out on a ride is in here. I have a cable connected right now because this is from a microphone. That's the one thing I carry when I do my moto vlogs, is I record my audio externally with a Tascam. This is the purple Panda microphone, and you'll see this right up here on the side. And this is like my microphone that I have attached to my helmet at all times. So this bag isn't really much. I picked up for 20 bucks. It has these straps here for extra things if you want extra mounting points, which this is handy. I'm going to move it to the down part at the very bottom. I didn't even know that this was a thing until now. But this is my bag. On the outside, it's not much, has two pockets, and this zipper over here to extend the rear pockets for more space if you need it. I feel when we do that, it's too bulky, so that's not something that I do. And I have my gloves, have my phone. I'd be recording with my phone, but I don't have my external mic for that out. On the outside, we have the microphone. We have the carabiner. This is a night-sized carabiner. I use this for a lot of my stuff. If it's not on here, it's on my belt loop or my belt buckle. It's on my belt or on my waist, holding my keys in there. But for now, it's on here when I'm out on the bike to hold my keychains when I'm not riding. It comes super handy. I definitely recommend you guys get one of these. Okay, so first thing, as you guys can see, is a multi-tool. This is the Husky tool, picked up of Home Depot. It has about 5 or 6 tools: saw, a file, a Phillips head, flathead, another flathead or a can opener, and all, I believe, or a little flathead, some other tools, and 2 saws. It has it has a serrated blade, and it has a saw, a little knife, pliers, wire cutters. It's a nice little handy tool, not too expensive. Got that. Then we have this little bandana. It just helps for leaks or sweat, or if I need to clean up my hands. A small bandana is a good thing to have. Then I have these key tags. These are like little merchandise things I have. As you guys see, I have one on my keys as well. These extra ones right here, these are ones I just hand out. I took this keychain off because I'm using it on here, but I have more at home. I have a couple more of these in here as well. That's just there to hand out to people. Next up, we'll go with mini flashlight, a pen light. This one's a Mastercraft one, comes in handy. I have a multiple of these. I have them in like every small little bag I have in my car, my toolbox, and in here. They just come in handy. And I have a pen style screwdriver. This is handy for when I'm moving the mounts off of my action cameras and stuff from my car to the bike and to my helmet. They just come in handy. There's a Phillips head. It has twin heads, a flathead Phillips head, and it has room in the back for another one as well, for a smaller version of them. So it's just a nice little thing to have. I guess the multi-tool would have it, but like this one has more options, so I have that there. Next, I have a notepad to take notes, and of course with that I have a pen. There's a Parker Jotter pen. Last thing in this pocket is this little Porsche Butane lighter. I don't smoke, I don't do anything with it, but it's good to have in case you ever need it to light a fire, or in case of an emergency, but also because it's a Porsche. I picked this, there's a story behind this one. I picked this up when I was going on a road trip to Banff with my friends. It was at a gas station, and I saw it on the way in, but I never picked up. But on the way back, we stopped at that same gas station. I was like, how could I not? I love Porsches. I plan to get a Porsche in the future. It's a small little conversation piece, and it's just really nice to have. Just something I really like. So I have that in here. So that's in the front pocket. I'm gonna put the stuff back so it's easier for me when I'm done this video. Main pocket holds a few things, but they're the more important things that I need to carry in case of emergencies and everything. First off, you guys can see I have a small little travel size bit of Tyenol extra strength. Can't take Advil or aspirin, so these come in handy in case of an emergency where I need to have a headache or a migraine and stuff like that. Next up, may as well pull this out right now. This is my Tascam DR-05x. This is my main audio recording tool that I have, and with that is my purple Panda microphone with an adapter piece for this. It's a TRS to TRRS, I believe, or a TRRS to TRS, whichever one. Have that with this mic, comes in handy. Of course, my wallet has my cards, my ID, everything else that I need, some cash, and the rest of it is some more key tags in here. And with that, my insurance papers as well, papers for insurance, registration of the bike and all that, have that in here as well. I ride fully registered, fully licensed and everything, and that's just how it is, and that's all I have in here. And that's honestly all I carry with me when I'm out riding. Things I could add in here is another multi-tool, possibly. I used to carry a Victorinox Spartan, a Victorinox serrated Spartan. I love that small little multi-tool. That's a tool I got as a gift from my sister, and I carry it around all the time. I misplaced it somehow. Don't know where it is, so I don't really have that right now. But I would add in a Victorinox. I would add in probably some zip ties, some first aid stuff like bandages and stuff. I would get a tourniquet, but I have no clue how to use that, so it wouldn't really come in handy for me. Maybe for anyone on the scene who might know first aid and stuff, I should probably take a first aid course. It'll help. It'll be beneficial for me and everyone around me. So probably that's in the future. But for now, I don't really have a need for that. Possibly I could get some bandages and some basic first aid stuff, some cotton swabs, bandages, some wraps and all that. But that's not what I have right now. And yeah, I just put this around my waist, and with the mic I just feed it through inside my hoodie, and from inside my hoodie it just goes all the way up to my helmet. That's basically all I have inside my waist bag and what I carry around me when I'm on a ride on the motorcycle. And also, I kid you not, this bag has everything I need for daily riding, and it fits right here in this small compartmentalized thing. And yeah guys, so that's basically everything I carry on me, on my person when I am out on a ride. If I have a backpack, I carry more things, but everyday riding where I don't need much, just need my keys, my card, my wallet and all that, this is just what I hold. And with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and please let me know down in the comments below if you have things you suggest I should carry as well, or things I should remove and replace. And I'll catch you all in the next video. All right, it's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, signing out, and I'll catch you all in the next one. All right, see ya.